Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. So today I'm going to be showing you how I put on my press-on nails. I use these a lot. I haven't been to the nail salon in a while now because I found this method and I'm pretty happy with it. So if you want to see how I do my nails, stay tuned. Okay, so before I get started on my nails, I like to prep them. Clearly they are raggedy, so I need to clean them up. First, I need to go in with a cotton ball and just get this nail polish off my nails. It was more, not nail polish, it was more of a hardener that I had on my nails, but it turns brown after a while, so I definitely hate that, but I need to get that off of my nail. I've been wearing these press-ons for, I would say I started wearing them last year around, I want to say like Christmas time. Because I just realized with the babies, I don't really have time to go and get my nails done all the time. Unless it's like the weekend, but since we moved to Florida, I haven't really found a nail shop yet. I haven't really been looking either, but I definitely need some nail care. So now I'm going to clip my nails down. I have realized with wearing the press-ons, my nails grow even faster than when I go to the shop and get the acrylic or the geler. So that's major for me. Okay, and then I'm going to take my nail file, a simple nail file that I got from like CVS or something, and I know you're supposed to file like, that's probably one reason why my nails break. You're supposed to file like in one direction, but I have a habit of going back and forth like that. But so I try to file in one direction just to get all the excess like stray nail clips away. Alright, so now that that is done, I need to get off any excess cuticles that I have. So I like using the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. I got this from Target. And you just sit on your nails, well, you sit it around your cuticle for about 15 seconds, and then you just wash it off with warm water. So, because I really hate clipping around my nails, it's just, yeah. Alright, so I have my bowl of water here. I'm just going to wash my hands. And just wash it with simple warm water and some soap. And it's supposed to just pull the cuticles right off. Okay, so these are the Kiss Glam Fantasy nails. These are in the color black. I actually thought they were like a matte blue color, but they're black, so that's fine. I do want to try these ones out. I wore these ones on when I went to Essence Fest, so these are like similar ones, but they're more of like a pinky tone, and I really like these ones, so that's why I doubled up and got this color. So let's put these ones on. I've never had black fingernails, so we'll see how this looks. So it comes in the pack. You get the nail tapes, and then you also get a nail file and a cuticle pusher. Obviously I didn't need those, so I leave that in there because I don't like using the tape. They don't hold the nails for a long time, in my opinion, and I definitely don't use the nail glue that comes in here. It's just, I don't know, too cheap for me. So I up the $3 and I get the Kiss Maximum Speed glue. So this is the glue that I use. You can get it right in the nail section anywhere you buy these nails. So that's what I'm going to be using to put these nails on. So normally there will be like 2 sizes of each nail. However, some of them are kind of similar, so you have to be careful. Most of the time your nail sizes will be the same on each hand, so I like to match my nails up prior to putting them on, because if not, then I'll just take forever. And it's better to go up a size meaning put a nail on that's bigger than your nail than to do something smaller, because you don't want to see that white space around there. You can always use your nail file to file down. Alright, so these are the closer matches for me. So I'm just going to shave down the side a little bit on the thumbnail because it's a little bit wider than what I need it to be. And then I like to just put a dot of the glue in the center of my nail. I can get it to come out. And then also a dot in the actual nail itself. So I just slide it back into place and then I hold it down. And it's a max speed gel. It is a max speed glue, so it dries really fast. And so I'll do the same with the rest of the nails. I'll file if necessary and then keep it moving. So I'm going to go back in and file the edges of the nails just to make sure they're all even. Sometimes there's like a little tab piece on the end of the nail, so I like to get that off. So I'm going to take my Q-tip and put a little bit of oil on it. Not a lot. I'm just going to put it around my cuticles here, because I have really dry cuticles and they start to peel back and they look horrendous. Some oil on my hands because they are a little dry from washing them. And that is it, you guys. So that is how I do my press-ons. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, all down below. If you have any suggestions, leave them down in the comment box. If you want me to try some other nails that you like, please let me know. I get the ones I got, these ones that I got on, I got them from my local beauty supply store. I've also bought some from Walmart and CVS, so you can definitely try these out at your local drugstores. But the beauty supply store is the come up. They really have some good ones there. I will probably be going back to up my stock. I will see you guys very, very, very soon. Love ya. Bye.